Hey guys, what's up? So Eid is coming, and by the way, sorry for the voiceover. This is like a party look, and Eid is coming, so I've just combined both of them. But if interested how I got this makeup look, please keep watching. And I'm gonna start it off with a primer. This is a Smashbox primer. This is a photo finish, amazing primer. When it's come to primer, Smashbox is the best. So I'll just apply a primer all over my face, concentrating on the areas where I have larger pores. And after that, for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Super Stay 24-hour foundation. This is by Maybelline, and this is amazing full coverage and very long stay foundation. It actually stays a longer time as compared to the other foundation. So it is a really nice foundation and it gives a matte finish, so it's amazing for oily skin. For concealer, I'm using this shade from the palette and using it under my eye, every part of my face, whichever I want to highlight, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, slightly chin, and my forehead, everywhere. I'm going to be using it as my primer for my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using is on my lid. Just blending it out with the same brush, and I'm going to be using this Miss Clear powder. Let me show you how it looks. Yeah, it looks like this. It's a white translucent powder, and I'm going to be using this to bake my face because I have used a lot of cream products. So I want my makeup to be last longer, and baking is amazing if you want to make your makeup last longer. Eyebrow, I'm going to be using this palette. It's by Miss Clear. I'm using the darker shade because I have dark eyebrows, and this shade suits me perfectly. I'm going to be using this shade and just do my eyebrows. I want my eyebrows to be a little stronger than usual. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to be taking this color as my transition shade as for my eyeshadow. I've zoomed in a little because I want you to see. Just warming up my crease with this lighter eyeshadow, and then going to be taking this shade to further darken my crease. And yep, just blending it out really well, because yeah, we don't want two different colors. After that, I'm going to be taking this darker shade and just darkening my outer corners. Okay, I want my outer corners to be a little dark. I want to create a depth, so that's why I'm doing that's it. And after that, I'm going to be taking concealer and create a base. Okay, I'm just creating a base for my shimmer eyeshadow to stick on, because I'm using a loose shimmer. This is a Mallow. This is a really nice golden shade and very pigmented. And I'm going to be taking this only to my inner corners, like inner third maybe, not entire lid, but yeah, only inner third. Next, I'm going to be taking this shimmer eyeshadow. This is like a green shimmer eyeshadow, and taking just after the golden shimmer that I've used, taking it just like that and blending the two, because yeah, we want a blended look. Just grab your eyeliner and make a nice wing. I love applying wing liners, so yeah, that's why I'm applying wing liner. Also, the colors I've used is so light, so wing liners just look perfect on this look. Mascara, I'm gonna be taking this Mion volume length mascara. This is amazing. This is very nice. But before that, I want to curl my lashes, because my lashes are long but they are straight, like they are literally straight. So I need to curl them. Then only it will look good. So just curling my lashes and then doing. For kajal, I'm gonna be taking this Colorbar neon green eye pencil. To be very honest, this is not the most pigmented one, but yeah, still not the bad one. That's why I'm using this. But I would not suggest this one. So yeah, and doing my lower lash line with the same green that I've used for my crease. Taking this palette and doing my contour and highlight with the same palette. This is like a darker bronzing shade, so it gives me a chiseled look. So just applying the contour of my cheeks, nose, everywhere, my forehead, because I have slightly larger forehead. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush by Faces. The Glamour blush is a very nice natural blush, and it gives a glow. It gives a very nice glow, and it's also long lasting. So I'm using this one. make sure to use more long lasting products. And highlighter, I'm going to be using the same highlighter as I did my contour, same palette, of course. I told you, highlighting on my face. I think this highlighters look so too I think too golden, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, just using this. For my lipstick, I'm using the darkest color because my eyes are light, so I want to use a dark color. But I'm going to be lining my lips first and then using a lipstick. This is a very nice pinkish red shade. I don't know. I will just share all the links in the description box below. Yep, that's it. My look is complete and this is how I looks. And yep, with that my look is completed. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.